Baking a chocolate cake is an amazing experience for several reasons. It allows bakers to express their creativity and artistic skills by decorating the cake with frosting, toppings, and other adornments. The process of measuring, mixing, and baking the cake, and then decorating it gives bakers a sense of accomplishment and pride in their creation.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me.
It is a timeless tradition that brings joy to those who partake in it. The rich, chocolatey aroma that fills the kitchen as the cake bakes is enough to make anyone's mouth water. A warm slice of chocolate cake is a comforting and nostalgic treat that evokes memories of happy times and childhood. It can also be a fun and shared experience, whether with family members, friends, or baking partners. Overall, baking a chocolate cake is an amazing experience because it brings joy, creativity, and comfort to those who partake in it. Whether it's for a special occasion, a sweet snack, or just as a treat, a chocolate cake is always a crowd pleaser.